Good morning. So when we talk about energy interactions, energy exchange, energy redistribution, let's focus our energy on the methods of injecting energy inside a system. Thermodynamics recognizes there are two ways you can inject energy in the system. One, you directly supply heat to the system, which means you raise the heat level of the system. The second way is you do work on the system. If you do work on the system or you add heat to the system, these are the two ways you inject energy into the thermal system. So all the numericals you're doing, you should clearly focus whether in this case heat is being used to inject energy or some work is being done to inject energy. That's the way you start. Again, a very broad conceptual picture of thermodynamic method of injecting energy into the system. Thank you very much.